In this video, we will go through the SKUASIN function. The function is capable of converting SKUs to ASINs and ASINs to SKUs. Let's start with the syntax. The first parameter is seller ID. Seller ID is required. SKUs are also required. You can use SKUs when you want to convert SKUs to ASINs, and you can use ASINs when you want to convert ASINs to SKUs. Then comes the direction. When converting SKUs to ASIN, you can leave the direction parameter empty, since SKU2ASIN is default setting. But if you are converting ASINs to SKU, then you will need to specify ASIN2SKU here within quotations. Then comes the marketplace. Marketplace is optional. So let's try the formula now. The first parameter is seller ID. My seller ID is in cell D1. Then the SKUs. So I'm going to select the whole range. I can leave this parameter empty and it will still convert SKUs to ASINs. So let's try it like this. So you see, these are the ASINs for the SKUs mentioned here. We can now convert the ASINs to SKUs. So the seller ID is there. Now I'm going to select the ASINs, and now I will need to specify that I want to convert ASINs to SKUs. So this is how the function works. The syntax is pretty simple. You can use the marketplace filter in case you want to narrow it down to a specific marketplace. It is recommended to use ranges wherever possible, like this one. And for people in Europe, they will need to use semicolon instead of comma, like this. And in case you run into an error or the data does not appear, please make sure that the add-on is activated and the subscription ID is there. In case the subscription ID does not save, use incognito mode of your browser to bypass Google cache issue. Thank you.